Hi, welcome back. In this video we're going to look at creating this beautiful headband. This is from the Hair Necessities set and we'll look at how we create this great knot effect at the front. So for this project you'll need the Hair Necessities pattern. You'll need your Make yarn. Today I'm using the Make DK version. This colour is Lit and this colour is Skylar, and you'll also need a tapestry needle. Okay, so now that you've completed your headband and we've got this beautiful selvage edge all the way along here to make a nice neat edge, what we're going to need to do is turn it from a strip of fabric into a headband that will keep you cozy. So the way we're going to do that, you need to work out which is the right side that will be facing outside and the wrong side which will be keeping your ears cozy. So obviously you can see here I've worked the garter and stockinette stripe version, and this will be the outside. So this is my right side. Now hopefully you've remembered to leave yourself a nice long tail when you did your cast off, and you can see here I've got mine here, and you will also need a tapestry needle to sew it all together. So once you've got that all organised, we will carry on putting it all together. So the best way to do this is to lay it out flat with the right side facing you. Take each edge of your headband and fold the corners in together to each other. Okay, so we've got the two edges here. Now what we're going to do is bring those together, and then we're going to interlock those into each other. So we take the two, we can see at the minute they're almost like a kind of flattened C shape. Now what we're going to do is insert that one that way and that one that way, so they are interlocked with each other, almost kind of like an S. Now bring your edges up nice and neatly together, and once you've threaded your tapestry needle with the big long cast off edge, that tail that you left, we can then start to sew this together. So the way I would recommend to do it is to work through all 4 layers together. Just move this cast on tail out the way. And once you've got your edge nice and secure, I find that back stitch works very well to give a good secure seam, because the last thing we want is for this to pop open while you're walking down the street. So I'm just going to fix that end and make sure it's gone through all 4 layers again, and then because we've got this lovely neat selvage edge, it's easy to see which stitches we should be working our needle into. So we're going to go through 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Pull that nice and securely, and then go back to where we went through before and go through those same stitches we went through earlier. And this just gives us a double layer of security. Okay, so we're going to do that again through 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. And then back through the stitches we worked earlier. So I will continue working my way through this, and I will show you what we have at the end once I've got to the end of the seam. Okay, so once you get to the end of your seam and you've secured your last few stitches to make sure that your seam's not going to pop open, what we're going to do is to turn our work inside out so that the right side is on the outside. Now it may take a little bit of fumbling and popping about just to make sure that you've got everything the way it should be, but Once you've stretched this out to wear over your head, you'll see you have this beautiful twisted knotted feature. So I hope that's been useful for you. Please let us know in the comments below if there's anything else that you would like to learn. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.